autoclave. That is the urgent priority. Lakshman, can you put the...
Yeah. Just give me a minute, sir. Autoclave machines. Now,
autoclave machine, your quotations, please.
yes. Data share screen.
You can remove this first and then do it.
Right, okay.
Okay, Lakshman, quickly go through it and your recommendation.
Now we have got 4 quotations. Autoclave machine. This is the Taiwan make SA300 VAF 1,728,000. It is similar to the machine that we are using at the moment. Same features. And there was another machine for 810. That's a manual machine. And Delmate, we have got another. That's the Israel machine. It's 7.28 million. And Premium International, there's a machine for 3,024,000. So we are recommending, because we have been using these autoclave machines for the last 10 years, we can recommend the item number 1 model SC VF300 VFA program type. It is similar to the machine that is we are using, and the nurses are well conversant with that machine, so that I recommend to purchase that machine.
Okay, any comments or any discussions, any questions?
And do you have get any technical, I mean that consultation from medical side for the technical matters of this thing?
I just have one question only. This machine recently, I think we have spent about now 1.5 lakhs or so. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Now it's working. It's in working condition.
Yeah.
So now even if we purchase another one, this is also in running condition at the moment. Is it a current urgent machine to be purchased?
Yes, because now there was a stage that we have lost both machines not working, and we otherwise we have to stop the operations. Without high pressure autoclave, we can't run the theater. So I managed to get what is this? K. Tumati Hospital. I spoke to the manager, and some or other got all the equipments and the clothes autoclave there. So I mean, we can't be going behind them every time. So we will purchase this machine, and we will just keep it there without unpacking. And once one of these machines give trouble, then we can replace it.
Chairman,
Chairman,
my worry is now the same machine, maybe the country of origin is different, Taiwan, Israel, and China, and the price differences are huge. I mean, 810, 7 million, then 2 million. The other machine is also. What is the last one?
This is the capacity. That is
there are
chamber capacities are different, Governor.
Maybe the capacities, but when with the difference in prices, what is this?
No.
One is 7, one is 3 million.
That's why Chairman, I asked that as he get the professionals, I mean that consultants, consultations regarding the technical matters, as he said that we have to consider all those apple to apple, all the features.
Because the machine that we are using is at the moment 50 liter capacity. That is more than sufficient for our this thing. The Delmate one is 85 liters. It's a big machine. That is a front loading machine. And Premium is also Chinese machine. That is 3.0 million. That is 100 liters. So we can manage with the 50 liters. So that's why we have just gone for this machine. And similar machine has been used here for the last 10 years. And we had been using it. So that's the lifespan is about 10 years. So I think that we have
so
to
then Lakshman, what is the difference between now Medex one is also 50 liter. Medex, the other one, second option is also 50 liter.
Yeah, but that is
from Taiwan.
It's manual operation.
That's a manual thing, sir.
Right.
Sunil.
Okay.
This is a programmed one,
correct.
That we can autoclave the water as well here, the liquid, but this machine can't do that.
program in the sense it can be programmed. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's programmed.
function can be programmed.
You press the button, then you come to the program number one, like that.
It's automatic.
Is this
Automatic,
in
yes.
stock? Is it in stock or we have to import it?
No, it is a stock item.
How about the after sales repairs?
So
Got
that is what they have been, we have been using this for the last 10 years, and so the repairs, after sales repairs are okay, because the engineers are familiar with us, and I
Is
don't.
there a resale value for the current one which is in operation?
We have to see once we purchase this, and if we want to get rid of, because what they say is, now if you are using these two machines, at least keep, if there's any defective, so keep one machine for the spares, because the old spares may not come back again. That's the thing. So we can.
Agents for this, local agents.
Local agents, Medex Holding Private Limited.
I see. So they have spares.
They have spares, they managed to get the spares for these two machines, which we have over 10 years. So they said now those machines are going out of date, so that until it is running, you can use it. And if one machine gives a problem, don't repair it, and keep that machine for the spares for the other machine, and buy a new machine, and you can easily run for 10 years, because they have given a list of lot of places they are using this machine.
Dr. Dhammika, are you there? Dr. Dhammika?
Yeah, he's there.
Dr. Dhammika, your any views? Devika Gunodhana's picture is there, but his Dhammika is there, I think. Dr. Dhammika, are you there? Okay, there seems to be no objection, so we will approve the purchase of Medex Holdings Private Limited, SA
300 VF.
DFA study, 1,728,000, 12 months guarantee.
Just to make one comment, PIP. Now,
Yes.
if you buy the machine and keep unpacked, there is no use of that, because the thing is, it start from the date they sell the guarantee. So therefore, it is better that you start
Use
using.
it. Yeah, we can use it. We can use that machine.
Yeah, I don't know. Lakshman made that statement. I don't believe in keeping machines unpacked.
Yeah.
I think we should start using it.
Okay, so we'll use it from the day one. Yes.
Okay, next one I would like you to consider is the construction of wards, paying wards. Dr. Dhammika, you're there. Dr. Dhammika, any comment about that Medex machine? Autoclave?
Autoclave, no. No,
No.
autoclave, I think already what we have used, when you consider the what we have used and what we are going to buy, I don't think, I don't see anything difference. And I think we can go for the what has been suggested by Mr. Lakshman.
Okay, thank you. Next is, I would like Lakshman to project the construction of the wards, paying rooms.
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. I'll do it.
I'm going on what I consider priority. Autoclave is first priority.
Yeah, if I'm to add on to that PIP, I also see it's a priority wards, because if Lakshman's figures are correct here, to stand on by on this one, these 4 rooms in the wards are going to bring in an income of 1.6 million according to him, which is 133,000 per month and 4,500 per day from the 4 rooms, which is a possibility if he markets. And the cost of operation for a year is 6 lakhs according to his budget.
Can you put it on the screen?
This is, I'm just trying to do it.
1 million.
Which
Sorry.
means, we
Let
have
all
a
listen to your comment. Sunil, wait.
net income of 1 million per year. So Lakshman, you can put it up.
Sorry.
I have got it here, but others also have got it. But if you can.
This is the last time that we have.
You can increase the size.
Some time ago, but we didn't go ahead, right? Yes. Now,
Yeah.
go up, please. Sunil, you can give your comments.
Yeah, my comment is PIP now, as per this one, roughly on a turnover we are going to generate, and also the construction period is about 1 month, which means from January, Lakshman should be able to complete. Lakshman, can I be
Yes.
assurance? Okay,
Yeah,
so if
I
we
think within
complete
1
in
month, they said
January,
it happened. Yeah.
January and start operating with the demand that you said you are having, our income for a year is approximately 1.6 million. And the operational cost, according to him, is 5 lakhs. I said 6 lakhs even. You are having for the whole year net income of 1 million,
Yeah,
which is about 133,000 rupees per month, the sales. And for a day, we are looking at 4,500 from 4 rooms, which is feasible if it is market and if the demand is there. So our project cost is only 2.8 million. So I think if this can be the case, I think we should go immediately for it without delaying it.
okay. Lakshman, how do you fund it?
We can fund this from the trust since it's a
Trust.
capital expenditure.
Okay, you can fund it with the creditors. Anyway,
No, on the basis that he is transferring me monthly funds.
Yeah, we are transferring every month. Even this month, we transferred 1 million to Governor.
okay, any other views from anyone else? Dr. Dhammika, these are 4 rooms for paying patients. In Ratnapur Hospital, they are really having a lot of
Yeah.
faith.
Yes.
I have one question, Chairman. On what basis, on what data and all that he based and he put forward this estimation, the feasibility on
This
the
is the
income
feasibility.
basis? How he
This is
has
the-
he realized that there is a demand, and if there is no demand now, I mean, as I want to, take it up at
No.
the stage, the diabetic clinic. Yeah, I mean, it's not operation as we expected. Anyway, now we spend all this money, and if there is no demand, then the problem is we have to spend about 5 million. What is
Put the feasibility again. He starts with only 4 rooms, I think.
The total project cost is to 3 million, 2.8 million.
Yeah, no, I mean, he starts with only occupancy of.
This is the written feasibility report. We are inquiring from the private patients who come to cataract surgeries whether the hospital can provide them the paid rooms facility, as some of them are coming from outstation and need privacy for the especially aged patients. Some patients, children working abroad, wants to take care of their parents after and before the surgery with paying ward facility. In order to cater their requirement, we can launch a project to build a paying ward complex with the convenient facility and independence. The trustees approved the plan of the estimate. We can call the tenders, and the contracts was awarded Jubilee Enterprises by our architect. Due to COVID-19, we could not implement this project. Please find attached estimate comes from the expenditure finance report covering period of 30 months. Original approved amount for the complete project is EOQ measure and pay basis 2.4. Now it will become 2.8. Price variance is mainly current market rates of air conditioning and ceramic tiles. We have estimated 4.6 room capacity in 30 months and estimate income of 4.95 and estimate expenditure of 587 for 30 months. As per these estimates can cover the patient's cost within 2.5 years and income over the expenditure about 559 approximately. Once the people get used to get treatment in-house, especially people claim their bills from the insurance, required to stay at least 1 day in the hospital. We can expect the occupancy rate to go to 44.6. Therefore, we feel it's a very viable project to improve the standard of the hospital and get some more extra income for the proposed paying wards.
Yeah, actually, I think it is good, but not immediately. Because if now you can see that, because I have a discussion with one professor in Colombo, Professor Indika Karunatilaka. He said that now new variant is coming, and if it comes, he suggested, but sometimes we have to close the lockdown. Will come not only the whole island, but part of that we have to close it according to him. So that another thing is, you said that children working in outside, how many children, what is the number of children you got to your sample?
So we have already given a feasibility report in accounts as well. Just a second, I'll screen that to you.
No, I am asking then how many number of children working in abroad and what the sample size?
So I think
How how can he say how many children working abroad? I mean, that's anyway, put the feasibility details. Lakshman, put the feasibility details.
Just a second, sir.
Because if we have to close the sometimes it may be close to end of December. So that
Yeah,
we have
this is, yeah, just a second, PIP, I want to share it. The line.
Yeah, Upal, you can go on talking, please. While
No.
he's putting
yes, I think it is good, but not immediately, because
why not immediately?
yeah.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. ये डॉक्टर अर्णव फर्नांडो के हॉस्पिटल එක ओपन කරා ලෝටස් माउंट ලෝටස් කියලා माउंट ලැවිනියා माउंट ලැවිනියා එතන माउंट ලෝටස් එතකොට දැන් මොරටුවේ patients ලාත් එනවා අපේ hospital එකට වැඩි ප්‍රතිශතයක් දැන් මේ patients සමහර විට අපිට එන ප්‍රමාණය අඩු වෙයි මොකද මට ආරංචි අවස මේ අපේ rates වලටම එයාලා කරන්න ඉඩ තියෙනවා surgeries එතකොට දැන් අපි ඇවිල්ලා profit making hospital එකක් නෙමෙයි වුණත් අපි යවට තියෙන ඔක්කොම profit making hospital. ඒකට අපේ standard ඒ තත්ත්වයට අපි දෙන්න ඕන සර්. අපිට එකපාරට paying wards එකකට කියලා අපිට patient කෙන් charge කරන්න බෑ. lockdown එකක් ආවත් අපි ඒ වගේ අපේ අලුත් කෙනෙක් අපේ market එකට ආවහම අපි එයාට face කරන්න අපි ඉන්න ඕන. මගේ suggestion එක නම් අපි මේකට මේ වගේ දෙයක් කළා අපි අපේ එන patient හොඳ මේ සර්විස් එකක් අපි දෙන්න ඕන සර් මොකද Mount Lotus කියන hospital එක general hospital එකක් විදිහට තමයි එයාලා පටන් ගෙන තියෙන. තාම cataract surgeries පටන් ගෙන නැහැ එයාලා. February March වෙනකොට එයාලා ඒව start කරයි. අපේ staff members ලාත් එක්කෙනෙක් විතර දැනට එයා අරගෙන තියෙනවා. ඉතින් එයාලා දැන් මේ ડોක්ටර් අරුණ ෆර්නෑන්ඩෝ මෙහි අපේ hospital එකේ free list එකක් කරනවා monthly. එයාට ඒවට එයාට sponsor කරන්නේ එයාගේ රටේ ඉන්න friends ලා. එතකොට දැන් මේ free operation ඔක්කොම නවතිනවා සර්. එයාගේ එක පටන් ගත්තට පස්සේ මේ free operation month එකට 20ක් විතර කරනවා. ඒව නවතිනවා. එතකොට දැන් එයා මට නම් හිතෙන්නේ මේ දැන් මේ කරන්නේ මෙයා මේ free list එක දැන් එයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් සර් මේ අපි hospital එක පටන් ගන්න මේ equipment වලින් අපි පටන් නොගත්තත් එන patients ලා අපි මේ hospital එකට දාලා operations කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා. එයාලා ඕනම කෙනෙක් බලන number of operations අපි මෙච්චර ප්‍රමාණයක් කරලා තියෙනවා කිව්වම patients ලා එනවා. එතකොට මේ ඒ වගේ hospital එකක් එක්ක අපි අපිට මේ face කරන්න වෙනවා නම් අපිත් profit making hospital එකක් නොවුනත් අපේ standard අපිත් ඒ standard වලට එන්න ඕන සර්. මොකද අපි
මේ වෙලාව ඉන්වෙස්ට් කරන වෙලාවක් නෙවෙයි කියන එක මම කියන්නේ.
හරි සර් ඒකට අපිට ඉස්සරහට යන මේ රටේ තියෙන සිටුේෂන් එකත් එක්ක හැම එකකම ප්‍රයිස් එක වැඩි වෙනවා. දැන් ප්‍රයිස් මේ ගන්න යන්න පුළුවන් වෙලාවෙ අපි මේක ගියොත් අපිට මේ කියපු අපි දාලා තියෙන කොටේෂන් ප්‍රයිස් වලට අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ ඉස්සරහට මීට වඩා කොස්ට් එකක් අපිට දරන්න වෙයි. තව මේක ඩිලේ වුණොත්. ඊට අමතරව අපි බජට් එකේ අපි පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා 8 million profit එකක්. අපිට ඒකට achieve කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන දැන් අර competitor කෙනෙක් ආවහම දැන් අපේ patients ලා එන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය අඩු වෙන්න තියෙනවා 100 ප්‍රමාණයක්. අපි බලන්න ඕනේ ඒක තව 100 ප්‍රමාණයක් අඩු වෙන්න නෙමෙයි වැඩි කරගන්න. ඒකට අපේ service එක අපි හා සමානව දෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් ඒක ඇවිල්ලා තම අතින්ම පහසුකම් තියෙන hospital එකක් කියලා තමයි ආරංචිය තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් අපි ඒ වගේ එකකට යන්න නම් අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ඉස්සරහට යන්න ඕනේ සර්.
Put your screen, man. I want to tell you so many times. Because I want to say something. Put the feasibility study on the screen.
Yeah, it's there. It's already in there.
We can't see.
Lakshman ආවේ නැත.
That's the one.
Chairman, I am the concern now.
You got it. Have you got it now?
No, not yet.
No.
Stop sharing. Pop sharing. Put sharing, not that one. Yeah.
Anyway, yes.
Yeah.
Still, we haven't got it. Have you got it? Anyway, he has already screened it. Sunil has made his comments. I think the investment is relatively small. And although Upali is negative, anticipating what the new variant to come into Sri Lanka. But I think if you go, if all the time we are looking at the negative side, we'll never go ahead with anything. So unless there is some serious objection to the project itself, timing is something that we have to take the risk, I feel. Ganavini, you have said something?
Yeah, correct. It is because we should not postpone if we are going. First, we'll decide whether we are going ahead with this, whether we need this. I think we need this. If we can, upgrade our hospital conveniences facilities, it's good. But rather than postponing because the costs are escalating day by day, and we can't, with this foreign exchange problems and all that, we might, come out with many issues. So if we can do, but my concern, other concern, you said in your report, we are, looking at the old patients, whether they can, climb these 3 floors. With this, we have to go for the lift also then.
I'm not
Yeah.
negative, but I am not negative. I will give the risk of this thing in this situation. I am not
Okay.
negative because it should be the update and it should be the market. And I am considering the risk of the situation.
You're convinced about? Upali, I didn't understand the last part.
No, actually, I am not negative. We should have the upgrade the situation. I am already said everything. Every time I am saying that we should have the upgrade, and we should the marketing. We have to do the marketing, but we have a risk factor. Risk factor is high in this situation. That's why I am talking.
Right, go up. You're not putting it properly. Yeah, 4 per month. First month, it's only 4 per month in the first month. Only 4 rooms. So it's very low expectancy. Only after the 6th month that you go up to 76% occupancy and 52 rooms. So I think the risk is not that great. There is Kirti, your views, please. Kirti.
I also think, since looking at the construction cost going up and the material cost going up, so the time that, someone has to spend for the construction, I think worth the risk, having 4 rooms, bedrooms is good for the hospital, I believe. Relatively a small investment, as you rightly said.
Correct.
It's a relatively small investment.
Yes.
Yeah.
When you compare it to a dialysis unit, which is nearly 30 million investment, this is nothing. So, Lakshman, but you have to buy the best equipment. They don't put old beds and all there.
Okay, sir.
We have to investigate, find out the best possible beds, and equipment must doctor us so that there is a differentiation in those rooms. So I believe the majority of the people are in favor, so we will approve it. Now next we get to
Chairman, one more thing we'll approve, but then I prefer and I suggest to have a small discussion with LS because LS Pereira, who has recommended this, approve the BOQ and all that. So you can have a small discussion with LS. I can ask him to, speak to you, and then you can, discuss with him and see the cost factor and the construction, how long it will take, and all that type of things you can, get from LS Pereira.
You want me to discuss with him, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And Srilan is also there. We can have a small Zoom meeting. Keith is also there. Even Keith can arrange that Zoom meeting, or even I can.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And also that we not only for the construction of the rooms, but we have to prepare for the other basic factors also. There are meals and other things also we have to consider after this thing, because not that basically we can construct it, but we have to facilitate other factors also. There are meals. Yeah, there are meals.
Yeah, if we are giving meals, Governor, we can charge them. There's no problem.
Yes, we have to charge. Then we have to facilitate those factors also. And we have to list out. We have to list out what are the requirements we need for these people.
Yes, we will do a report and
in your first report, you have to include that also.
1 minute, please. We can't. we are not in a position to cook meals in the hospital. So we'll have to arrange for meals to be brought from outside. Lakshman,
Yes.
there are people serving meals, no, nearby.
Yeah, they are nearby people. We can get into a contract with one of the food suppliers and, give a menu and get them to supply, and we can charge keep a small margin for us, and we can charge it from the patients.
Yes, you have to keep a small margin. So
Yeah.
food
Chairman,
is,
Chairman, there is another complaint when we discuss this meals and all that. This hospital canteen had been given to one of the Lions Club of Mortuaratman, that the Governor Srilas Club, Lion Gilan. He complained to me and he said that lunch for these patients are being given by that cleaning person, that lady, the lady who is doing cleaning. So I don't know what is the arrangement that was been made by the hospital, that Gilan is suspecting that the hospital, the staff has made that arrangement, and they give the order to that lady who is cleaning the place, and she is cleaning the toilets, all that type of things, and she provides the meals to these patients and the other people, whereas Gilan, who had taken this canteen, is he won't get anything. So I don't know. In fact, I want to discuss this better. Maybe he had complained to Srilal also, our MC also. He is a member of the Lions Club of Moratuaratman.
what is he doing?
He is the one who is doing the canteen at our activity center, Vijayaram. He
He
get
is
down.
doing a canteen where?
I couldn't get it.
Where is he doing a canteen?
No, he's doing the Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka canteen. He is doing that canteen. Iran is, yeah, he's managing that canteen, Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka canteen, next to our activity center.
Okay.
Can I talk? Yeah, can I talk PIP? Now this, actually, I only invited Gilan and he introduced one person and that person left, and then there's another person has been given the contract by that the person, earlier person. And this lady who was giving the meals, she was not the cleaning woman, she was preparing the meals. And when we had a difficulty of finding somebody, because the two of our cleaning staff got sick, then we invited her to come and join and help us. Then actually she's not cooking, her family is doing the meals. Now someone has threatened her, giving the telephone calls and say that you are and all that. She resigned from the job and end of the month, and she's not going to provide any meals for the hospital.
She lost the job.
And she lost the job as well, because some fellow has given calls and threatened her husband. So this is what's happening. There are a lot of under going on for this type of things. Actually, I have called Gilan several times. He didn't answer my calls. I know him very well because he worked with me in Bahrain, and he's a good friend of mine. So I'll talk to him and see if these people are not professional enough. Then I'll ask him to change them. And don't worry about these meals that woman is not providing, or her family is providing meals in any future.
Lakshman, we have a small canteen. Who is running that?
I have already given it to Gilan, and Gilan has sublet to one of the people, and that person also left, and they have given to these new people, and they are only running the hospital, the canteen. And even several Lions complain, their food, the patties and all that just puffed up, and there's nothing no filling inside. So there are things like that. And I have asked them to provide the meal for the staff on Sundays. The staff was not happy with the meal, so that we have to buy it from outside. So if you are going to do this project, we will get a good supplier and to provide these meals, and we'll give a menu, and we can do it that way. And I'll speak to Gilan, and if it is necessary, we'll find out a good person to run the canteen as well.
But Gilan is not operating in Pandura, no?
No, he's not operating. He had just given sublet to someone, and if that person is not doing the job properly, then we have to tell Gilan, and if Gilan is also not in a position to do it, then we have to tender it and get someone else to run the canteen. So these
Okay, right. So
he's not getting anything out of this. PIP hospital is not getting anything out of this, and they are the people who are independently running. This Sunday, every Sunday that they are providing breakfast to the staff, And I was going for the camp and I came at 7 o'clock to meet the new consultant. And I told him, okay, that I never take breakfast or lunch or anything from the hospital. So I just told her, send me some food. And she just sent a small bun with calling it a chicken bun. There's no chicken in it, just some sausages and onions. That's all.
Let's not go into details of that. Now we'll finish that. We
Yeah.
will.
So I'm telling you, this is the fact, you know. Okay.
Okay, right. Now, as someone said, you can't expect the older people to climb 2 floors. So you have to then now consider the lift.
Yeah. Anyways,
Now, you gave a quotation from our friend
Chaminda.
Chaminda Icon Spence.
Yeah.
When that quotation went, Dr. Amita said that we must get 2 more quotations.
Yeah.
I mentioned that to you, I think. Have you got any more quotations for the lift?
No, sir, not yet. I will get some quotation because the lift one, we want to finish the wards and then secondary we can go for the lifts because anyway patient got to climb to first stairs to go to the theater. So it is a matter of only climbing another few stairs to the ward. So anyway, we will, some unable people, we always carry them. So we will think about, I'll get some more quotations and forward it to you all at least.
No, I think there is a need for a lift also. You have been always talking about the need for a lift.
Yes,
So
sir.
we must also consider that while we are going ahead with this operation.
Yeah.
But what is the cost? Can you remember? Have you got the?
Yes, just a second. Just a second. We'll screen it, sir. Just a second.
Chairman, I think Chaminda Hindurangala is giving a very concessions, I mean, after service installation and all that he is doing free. I don't think any other supplier will, I mean, give all that. And
No,
we can, I mean, rely on him. And he is the in charge of that elevator section of the, what do you call, conference. So it's a reputed company.
Can you put the screen, please? I agree with you, Ganamini, but if the trustee, when a trustee says that we must get 2 more quotations, I don't want to oppose that because we normally get 3 quotations. So let's get 2 more quotations. I know he's going to do a very special job, but still, if the trustees want 3 quotations, why should we oppose it? We'll ask for 2 more quotations, right? Yes.
Sir. This is the thing. That,
Lakshman, yes. What is it now? There are 2 quotations.
Yeah, these are the same supplier. This 360 kg 8-person lift. It's an Indian lift. It costs about 4.3 million plus about 1.8 will cost for the lift well. The range of 6 million for the everything. And Chaminda will be giving all this free, free.
10 years comprehensive maintenance. Yes.
Yeah. So we will get some more quotations and then we can compare it and see whether it is profitable so that we can take a decision accordingly.
Yeah, because we cannot, we'll have to see whether we can afford to invest in a lift also.
Yeah.
That also depends on your budgets and on your cash flow and all that. So that is a different matter. But now you say lift is not absolutely essential, right? But in the long run, we'll have to get a lift. Okay.
Yeah.
Next we go to the echocardiogram, which I feel is least priority. But anyway, can you put the?
Yeah, just a second, sir.
Because that Dr. Dhammika, I'm now making a statement which is not supported by medical evidence. So what I'm saying is we are a hospital, eye hospital, doing various conditions of the eye. Now, echocardiogram is a cardiologist operation. Should we get into operation which is we are not familiar with? And as you said, you must have people coming. Only one or 2 maximum people must operate this equipment. So what do you think? Do you think, Dr. Dhammika, being an eye hospital where we are having some sort of experience in eye surgery and eye treatment, should we get out of that and get into a cardiologist operation of doing echocardiogram on the basis that we are going to save money or we are going to make money?
Yeah, my view is now we have lined up several things. All these projects are important, including the diabetes center. But when we had to allocate all these prioritize on a capital expenditure for a financial year. So the most important out of this is now if we go with the wards, Then we are also going with the high pressure machine claim. So those two we should prioritize up to the next 30th June. Then comes the lift which goes with the building. That also should not be taken up to now. So when you take
I'm not
ECO,
telling that we should take
Yeah.
it, Sunil. I'm going to try to eliminate things that are not necessary.
ECO is not in line, PIP, because we are in the we are eye hospital, so they
I-
more on the cardiology side. So and anyway, we are getting it done, and there are people are not having difficulty, so that can be postponed maybe later on.
I
But,
think, I don't know, Dr. Dhammika, what's your view? Because I don't think we should go out of our expertise area. We have some expertise in IKEA. And now we can get the services outside and patients are not complaining. Though Lakshman is saying you can make an income, that's not the idea.
Yeah, I worked out the figures from what Lakshman has given. Maybe our return on investment is about a 10%. Then if you have to fully depreciate, depreciation is not fully provided. I don't think it's worthwhile at the moment. The other projects are, I think, is more important, but maybe we can keep it online for a further year.
Okay, I also feel so. Lakshman, your view?
The thing is, sir, that we are sending at least a number of cataract patients for a cardiologist referral letters per month. We are giving about 60, and outside patients all will come 15 altogether, 75 per month. So from next year onwards, it will go up to 131 per month. So on that basis, we can generate an income of 31.2 million, whereas our expenditure is 28.7. So within 5 years, we can settle the loan. We have already put the loan facility here.
Lakshman, there are
Yeah.
priorities. Firstly, now we have already priority. One is the autoclave, absolute priority. Next is the hospital wards.
Yeah.
Those two are enough for the time being.
Okay.
If you go into echocardiogram, that's an area which we are not familiar with. And we don't have a doctor in-house. Dr. Dhammika
No.
Gudnadhan hasn't the time to come and look at come and supervise our hospital. So
I
we
have,
have imponderables, and we are going into a specialized area. Whatever it is, echocardiography is a specialized area over which we have no expert. Not that you have expertise in cataract surgery, but we have been handling it for some time now, and we have acquired certain amount of expertise in administration. So I think we should not waste our time, if you don't mind, going to this. But anyway, we can't afford it. No, we can't afford. The
We
lift
can't
is,
afford.
the lift is a priority. If at all the lift is a bigger priority than the echocardiogram.
And
So
as-
lift is bringing in income. Echocardiogram might bring in income. So we'll drop it, and I don't think we can do a dialysis center either. So with due respect to Upali, all the work done, we must thank him. I think we will stop at this because I don't think we can. When you start discussing, everyone thinks that I'm trying to promote all these. It's not that I'm trying to promote all these. I'm trying to see what we can do to improve the hospital and take it in priority wise. We can't unnecessarily extend our finances also. Why should we get into debt or get into a situation where our cash flow is affected? So let's take the echocardiogram next year or year after. whenever-
PIP, what I would recommend is PIP, now that we have discussed all this, we keep this in the pipeline. Why I said that we should go on a financial year basis is, now our current situation, if you permit me 2 minutes, I just want to tell the trustees, now recently we went for a capital expenditure program. Now for that, I had taken 10,622,000 was our cost, and we took this loan against our NTB advances, what we have deposited. Now we have settled the first loan of 2,250,000 is fully settled, which is for the eye scanning machine. Then we took another loan, 8,372,000. Now that too, we have only 1.6 million left, the balance. So all in all, we are having now a total of, we have with the fund management, we have improved it up to 29 million. That is the fixed deposits that we have at the moment. So if we have to take all these projects together, that is 60 million. So we can't go, double the figure for funding. That is why I say that these two projects we have discussed is fine now for this year's capital expenditure up to 30th June, these two. Thereafter, we will see the current situation in the country, dollar position, all that. For the next year, we will take some of these projects and think about it.
Governor Sunil, I agree with you totally. I did not intend to get involved in all these projects, but we have been discussing and postponing and alternating between this and that and the other thing. So let's now, we have decided now to autoclave, absolutely essential to replace the autoclave that is defective. Next is the 4 rooms. Third one should be the lift. Thereafter, we will stop there for the time being, and we will not go into either this echocardiogram or the dialysis center, because we can't do it. And I also agree with most of you that we give it to the Panadar hospital. We know what happens in government hospitals. Although Panduru may be special because Upali is in the committee, but still I know what happens when the doctor in charge is transferred, the whole bloody thing collapses. So we can't be spending money in some other person's property and not knowing what will happen. So with due respect to all of you, now that we have more or less agreed, we will stop at this, but keep these projects in the pipeline, as you say, Lakshman, to keep this thing in the pipeline. But lift, in the meantime, get 2 quotations, because
Okay, sir.
although we know that Chaminda will give us the best deal, we must compare it, because one of the trustees mentioned to me that we must get 2 more quotations, which is normally the correct thing, to get 3 quotations at least. So please get 2 more quotations, and we can then review it after this year is over. I don't think we can accommodate the lift also this year. So this year means year ending 30th June 22. We will only have the autoclave immediately, the 4 rooms next after that. So by that time, we'll be able to assess our finances, because if on the basis of your projections, we get a higher income also from the 4 rooms, then financially we'll be also sounder to take on additional projects. Yeah, that is it. Then Lakshman, next is discussion on the progress made by the hospital. Any views? Lakshman?
We have improved our number of cataract operations, as well as the number of patients who coming in is fairly okay. And we are managing with this consultations and all that, because a lot of people are coming, so we have to screen the patients and things like that. And we have started recruiting the trainee nurses. Actually, it's one of our theatre nurse is leaving by 10th of December, so we may have to recruit a well-experienced nurse to fill that vacancy. So we will keep the informed trustees regarding these new recruitments and things like that.
Thank you, Ganamini. Is there anything else?
Yeah, PIP, I have one more thing.
Yes.
Now that we, as I mentioned, we have settled bulk of the loans, the 10.6 million, and only 1.6 million is outstanding of all the
Yes.
equipment we purchased. I have a deposit that is maturing, and I have now 3 million, which are all at NTB, and I decided, because earlier these were on mortgage to the equipment, I was recommending to shift this to commercial banks, so I got some rates. Now NTB can go for a 1 year at 5.25. Then I have got a quote from NDB Bank at 7%, and NDB also has a wealth management that is at 7.5%. But I would decide the 2 banks, what you all can recommend. NDB between 7 and commercial bank 1 year 5.5. So NDB, the bank is giving 7, their wealth management section is giving 7.5, which is based on unit trust. But I would recommend 7% at the NDB bank or commercial bank 5.5. I mean, those are the 2 we have to decide on.
No, I think the higher one is NDB.
Yeah.
And don't go to wealth management, because then there's a fluctuating rate.
Yeah, it's a unit trust based.
Unit trust based, yes.
So,
Yeah, so better NDB, no?
Things change, it can change, but 7% at NDB, 1 year, no? 1 year deposit.
Yeah, 1 year, yeah, 7%, yes.
Maturing at the end of the year, is it?
End of the year, yes.
Right.
NDB.
Then have you placed any of the deposits as security for our loans?
Yes, now I have, now all these things I have settled. I have only 1.6 million outstanding now to repay, which is in 6 months. We are settling that also.
So that is covered.
Yeah, covered. Now I have, now for example, in November 2017, our fund was at 10.7 million. Now as at the end of November 21, we are at 32 million. We have been managing the loans and building up the fund.
Okay, fine. So we'll go to NDB, but when is the due for renewal?
Now I can deposit. In fact, now I have asked them to put into the current account. By next week, I can put this 3 million.
Already matured, is it?
Yeah, so if you all approve today, I can then deposit this 3 million next week.
Any other views? I agree with you. NDB
The
7%.
NDB is a better bank. We can go ahead.
Maybe it's good. And
Right.
general commercial bank deposit rates are quite low now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're at 5.5. NTB, I asked, the best they could give is 5.25. So NDB is at 7.
You can get little more on DFCC bank, but of course NDB is doing well.
Yes,
And, you know, NDB is good.
Who
Okay.
is said DFCC? How much can you get?
Probably about another 1% more or 0.5% more. Yeah. DFCC also
The quotation I got from DFCC, they were going up to about 7.25.
yeah.
Wealth management, generally NDB gives the highest 7.5 at the moment.
NDB is okay.
No, actually, for ICC, some of the deposits we got the highest from DFCC. I can check if you want, but of course, you know, must
I
be.
would recommend the committee that we go with NDB for this particular
NDB
deposit.
is good. NDB is good. I'm okay.
Right, thank you.
But if you can get more from any other bank, get it. I'm not saying.
No, I'm still negotiating PIB. I'm trying to check with people.
All these banks are about the same rating.
Yeah, Bank of Ceylon.
Right at the top are National Commercial
Yeah.
and Sampath.
Yeah.
The next level is NDB, DFCC, and so on.
Yeah.
So they
At
are all
the
the same.
moment, Sampath is slightly lower than this.
Yeah, Sampath sometimes gives
Sampath,
attractive rates.
Yeah.
But the three top banks are those
Yeah, I'm
commercial
getting,
and
two more
Sampath.
deposits. Yeah, in January and February, 2 more deposits are coming. Then I will check the other banks again.
Yeah, because by that time interest rates might go up further because at
Yeah,
the
yeah.
moment treasury bill repos are getting good rates. I don't know. I find it from commercial bank because they can give high rate on the treasury bill repos. Anyway, let's see. You go ahead with that.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, Lester, you have come back. Any views? We are closing the meeting.
No, I'm okay with that proposal.
You are not here, Lester. We decided to first get autoclave immediate purchase the autoclave. Second is to go for the 4 rooms, construct 4 rooms, and put off the other things for next year. Echocardiogram and lift also they are going into it, but we may not be able to invest this year.
Yeah, that's
Because
okay.
one trustee wanted 2 other quotations, so I told Lakshman to get.
Yeah, I think it's me.
Quotation, but we had to compare now. So let's
Yeah,
get to
yeah. I think it's me, yeah, who asked that.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for participation at length and the active participation. And wish you all the best. Before we conclude, Kadamini, can we fix the fixed date as the last Monday and not last Tuesday? Because last Tuesday I also had this eye donation society. So I've been having meetings from 4 o'clock in the afternoon, straight through. I'm really tired by now. So let's say, shall we make it Monday?
Okay, it's okay.
PIP,
Last Monday of every month.
Fixed meeting last Monday. And
Yeah.
Garamini, please get the minutes out quickly.
Yeah.
And Monte, I
Yes,
want in
sir.
today's time the note. Send me also a copy. Send it to Garamini, one to Garamini, one to Lakshman, and one to me. Okay, 3 days.
Chairman, I must tell Montessori, unfortunately, Keith has forgot to put these proceedings on recording.
I put it
Halfway,
halfway. Yeah.
He had put only halfway. So, I mean, one day with your memory, you put the first thing right now or early in the morning tomorrow and try to do the notes and send to me. I also have noted down something.
He was told to record it from the beginning. He was
No,
requested.
he has not done that.
How do you know?
He told me that.
I
He has
told
sent me in the chat box, he has sent me a message.
You are chatting in. I don't know what you all are doing, but he was told to record, not to go into detail, just for inform record. This is
No, I mean that with this.
No. I mean the Zoom recording, sir. Please
Zoom recording.
Zoom recording.
Okay, right. No,
PIP, I'm planning, I want to excuse myself for the month of January and February. I'm planning to leave next week to Australia. And I'll be back latter part of February if all.
You want to
That's why you have completely changed with the haircut.
You want to enjoy Australian hospitality of your daughter.
Yeah, thank you. And if they give permission only now, if the Prime Minister of Australia all the time is putting all sorts of regulations, so we don't know till you fly.
But they have, I think that now they have taken new regulations.
Now there are
Okay.
3-day quarantine.
Chairman, we must thank Kirti.
Thank you very much. Bhumistuti.
Thank you.
Thank Kirti also for giving us this Zoom link and all.
Okay,
you.
you're welcome, sir. No problem.
All the
Okay,
best.
thank you very much.
Sorry, I could not.
Thank
respond.
Thanks,
Thank
Vicky.
you.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Bye.
Bandhu.
Bandula, we'll talk. We could not talk. Maybe tomorrow we'll speak.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Lakshman, we missed
Right.
Sumptuous dinner.
Thank-
Once we meet physically, we'll have a nice dinner.
Okay.
Thanks.
John Lester, after a long time.
Yes.
How is your working place?
Good. Little busy
Ah.
with my office. My present place, you see, I'm doing so many, very busy.
You have to travel also, no? Somewhere in Jaya or somewhere.
No, Kotta. Traveling is not a problem, yeah. But from the moment I get in, you see, till I leave, very busy.
Right.
No time to do any other thing.
So,
Okay,
okay,
then
Kirti.
I will end the meeting.
Right, Kirti. Thank you so much,
Bye.
Kirti.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Kirti, thank you, bye. Good
Bye.
night.